This tutorial will be showing you how to measure distance and bearing in Google Earth Pro. I'm going to open my Google Earth Pro application, and on the top left corner here, I'm going to search my area of interest. And area of interest today is Nairobi. Let me just search on that area. And let's start with measuring a distance. For example, we want to find a distance from this particular spot here, this particular junction, to this roundabout here. What I'll do, I'll just go to a ruler. We have a ruler up above here on the tab, and I'm going to measure from that spot to that junction, and you can see the distance is 316.39 meters, and you can convert that to kilometers, to feet, to whatever unit that you want. And let's say you want now to find distance from this point to that junction. What you can do, I'll just select add path, choose path, and digitize from that point to that point to that point there. You can keep on digitizing, and then after you're finished, you can also change color so that you can see that line properly, like so. And on the last tab here, select measurements. You can see it's giving you the distance in feet. You can convert to meters and also in kilometers. That's about distance. And if you want to measure, say, an area, all you have to do, let's say, for example, let me find an area. So let's say you want to find a total area of this parcel. All you have to do is select add polygon. Just click on that. You can choose to give it a name and start digitizing from that point. Go to the second point, third point, and the last point. You can also select, you can just choose outline, change color, change that to pink, and the last tab here is measurements. Now if you choose measurements, it gives you the perimeter in kilometers, in meters. Let's select meters, and also area in acres. You can also change that to square meters. You can also change to acres, and you can choose to save this. You can give it a name and save. So that's all for today, and see you in the next tutorial.